Hey, we on that bitch, nigga. Y'all already know who it is, man. Stay on lifestyle. Back on Little Journey, man. Hey, we finna go do a prank on motherfucking Deezy. Hey, I seen a tow truck coming in this hole, but I think we good, huh? Nah, I know, but I'm saying, cause I seen the tow truck just come in here, so, but we good where we parked there, right?
Yeah, that's business.
All right, we good. Bet. Hey, man, me and Lil Journey finna go take this nigga Deezy car, make him think that this shit, that the tow truck stole this shit, man. Hey. And we left his car over there. We finna, it just got this nigga thinking he was finna leave his car. I appreciate you, man. Coming out the gate?
Thank you.
You're welcome. How you doing? This nigga Journey a little privilege.
Still look fine once you in here. That's what I'm talking about.
Man, these niggas closing the curtains?
Get the food out this room.
Journey got that second in her. What up, nigga? What up, thug? What up, thug? Let me change our mind, bitch. I'll tell you what's lying. I got that tripod right there. Yeah, we turned up in this bitch. Huh? Yeah, nigga got everything in that bitch. Fuck up, nigga, I'm drinking glass. Why that way it up? Man, bro. I know, that's why I'm finna fight that one. Check me out.
Keep the curtains closed, nigga.
Yeah.
This nigga try to change it.
Got that boy Deezy.
Hey, bro, look at this nigga, bro.
Who?
And that ring.
Where you at?
He got ski mask, things
Oh, that little Mexico shiesty. Mexico shiesty. I just wanna go to the car and change, bitch. Oh. Sure. Bro, I don't know why y'all just wanna go change in the car, fool.
What's the point of going all the way to the club?
Shit, bro, I just hope the tow truck man don't fuck with our shit.
Nigga, it's a visitors, bro.
Alright.
Can you get my sanity? I can't drink none of them. No more for me.
He gonna be mad. Fuck, bro, it's hot out here. Bro, where y'all finna go?
I'm finna go to the car so I can get my fucking shorts.
What, my money for? Show this nigga that his car is not done.
Go get my keys real quick. What the fuck? Y'all niggas go get my keys? Yeah, we're leaving the keys. He's leaving the keys.
I'm finna smoke this nigga. What you finna do? You finna change, bitch? Huh? Yeah. Oh. Bro, it's hot in the bitch. Yeah. Hey, I appreciate that, bitch. My boy, Kyle, man. Look at where we at, yes. Bro, you sure they don't be torn and shit, bro?
Huh?
You sure they don't be torn?
Nah, bro, you doing business with me, bro.
Alright,
I had my
okay.
shit in the front the whole time, then took my shit all the way in the front before the gate. That's why I wanted you to park at home.
Bro, nah, cause I seen that tow truck when me and Lil Journey was walking back up here, shit.
Yeah, into the
I'm like, bro, shit, I hope. Oh.
hard though, bro. Trying to put this shit in with the sticker.
I see my shit. I should stay down there.
No, niggas business.
Yeah.
Well, I was looking past that hoe. I thought the hell wasn't right there.
Oh, your car?
Yeah.
Nah, bitch, that shit on the other side of the other car, bitch.
Nah, no, shit. Niggas business.
Well, yeah,
That's why I was over here yesterday.
Bitch,
I had spent the night over here yesterday. That's where I be at.
Yeah, nigga said that's where I be at. Hey, bitch, I ain't got no money for no motherfucking me tow truck. Hell nah. Hey, it was a black tow truck Mexican dude in there. He went to looking. Cause he flew right past me and Journey. I was like, you know what the fuck, bitch? The fuck you looking at? He must have been looking at Lil Journey ass like he a midget. Tripping this shit. Hurry up, bitch, goddamn. Bro, y'all left the backpack?
Right there.
Huh?
No, he killed him right there.
Oh, look, he got the blunt with him and shit. This nigga crazy.
Man, but y'all don't.
We outside.
We outside. What my niggas doing? I'm like moving these hoes.
That nigga talking about moving these hoes. Okay, Lil D. Hey, I'm gonna get some pre-roll when we get back to the pool and shit.
Yeah, I'm gonna set my shit up. So we all jumping that bitch. I'm gonna do the whole slow motion like.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that shit.
Mom, bro, what are you talking about, bro? Like you was walking behind me, bro. You know you don't see no car right here, bro. You know you don't see nothing right here, bro. Like what's up, bro? Like where's my car at? Why they told my shit, bro? I don't understand that. Well, but like what, man? Like what's up, bro? Like why you looking at me like that, bro?
Bro, it ain't my motherfucking fault. I told your bitch ass nigga. I'm the one that told your bitch ass on the fucking tow truck, nigga. Now you want to come tripping with me and shit, hoe ass nigga. I don't give a fuck, nigga. My car still right there. Yeah, bitch ass nigga, you want to trip out on me? Tripping. Fuck around with these niggas. What?
Hey, hello? Bro,
Man,
hello, bro, man. My car is gone, bro. My car is gone, bro.
Calling his
know,
cousin
bro.
and shit.
Man, I think the tow truck had towed my car, bro. I'm like looking. I don't know where my car at, bro. Like, I am looking around, bro.
Bring your bitch ass baby down here, dude.
Come on, bro.
You mad at me because your motherfucking car towed.
My phone don't work, bro. You know my car, man. Where my car at, bro?
Man, it ain't my motherfucking car,
right there, man. I ain't even trying to laugh, bitch. Bro, man, you see, bro. My phone ain't even working, bro. My phone ain't even working. Bro, come on, bro. Now you tripping, bro.
Jay, bitch ass nigga, he
bro,
got your whole ass homeboy.
No, my phone is not working, bro.
Hey, my fault. I told your bitch ass move your car,
come on, bro.
Move your goddamn car. I just asked you. I told you I seen a tow truck drive,
man.
Bitch.
Like, come on, bro. Look, my phone ain't working,
man,
bro.
Whatever, Deezy, bro. Whatever, Deezy.
Bro, man, I'm gone. Hello? Hey, man, my car, bro. Hold on, where my car at, man? Bro, like, I don't know, but my phone just started working, bro. But my car, I don't even know what my car is.
Bro, call the tow truck on the gate, man. Call the goddamn tow truck.
I'm trying to see, like,
tell it, dumb ass nigga.
I don't know, bro.
Park your fucking car.
Go to the front.
Easy, do not park your fucking car right there.
What? Bro, my car, bro. I don't know.
Now we fucked off. Dumb man, nigga. Look at my car, man.
Bro, man, like,
man.
Hey, bro, come on, bro. Come on. Bro, come on, bro. What are y'all doing? God damn. Hey, hello? Man, bro, like.
Hey, he on the phone with his cousins and tell him, say,
damn, dog, I can't believe this shit, bro.
Hey, shit crazy.
Hello? Man, bro, my car, bro. Like, I don't know, bro. I'm not finna pay that money, man. Bro, man. Like, huh? What? Bro,
man,
on, bro.
I told
man,
your bitch ass, bro. I told your stupid ass. How you feel? You got to be a dumb ass nigga, bro.
I'm finna down here to go to the front, bro. My cousin
man,
said,
come on, nigga.
Man, my car, just go to the office, bro. We finna go ahead to go to the office, bro. Man, I don't care, bro. What?
Bro, come on,
man, bro.
This nigga stupid.
Like, bro,
you wanna go in my car?
Nah, bro. I finna just go ahead to.
This motherfucker got his car too.
Get off me, bro.
He got his car too. Damn. This nigga is stupid, bro. This nigga is stupid, bro. Bro, this nigga, that boy Deezy, he got the car too. That boy Deezy got the car too.
I got it.
Man, he gonna be all right, Deezy. This nigga stupid. Let me tell you. What the hell, nigga? I'm finna prank his stupid ass. We see that motherfucker, he like, it's a prank, bitch, it's a prank. It's a prank, bitch. Got him.
No, let me show you how to do it. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Nah, look.
Yo, man, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to Stavo Lifestyle, man. Press that post notification bell down below. Boom.